all day long. Look at these comments. These are all comments that have been likely spam. I have 13 million comments that are likely spam here. Look at this. All day long. Believe me, you will thank me later. I got $5,000, free PayPal money, free Bitcoin, free money, free method of working from home. Believe me, you will thank me later. They all say the same freaking stuff. Now, I got this one, this comment, look at this. A new and easy way to make some extra money online just by browsing. Check it out. So I said, hey, what the hell? Let's do a video checking out one of these spam things because I get these all day long. I see them on other people's channels. I see them in the spam. I see ads from these things. So I figured, why not investigate one of these things? Let's pick this apart and find out, is this real or is this a scam? Okay? I investigate. So I clicked on the link and this is where you go. It says generate. It says earn money from the ads you see. That's a great proposition. First off, just by looking at ads, I'm gonna make money. Are you serious? That's amazing. You know, if I am broke, this would have totally gotten me. Users are estimated to earn $20 to $40 per month. Okay, it's not a lot of money, but it says early users get 2 times the amount. I don't know, an extra $80 or pounds a month sounds pretty good. And all you have to do is install this browser extension on your computer. And it looks pretty professional, okay? And look, it even says beta release right here. Okay, so this looks like a professional site. It looks like there's no downside, okay? Just install this browser extension and see ads and earn money. Sounds too good to be true. That's because it is too good to be true. What this is an old scheme of marketing called from the tech support industry. So what these browser extensions will do is they will actually hijack your computer. And the information, there's various ways marketers monetize this information. None of them are good. There's a reason why these schemes, the only way they are marketed is through the spam in comments on YouTube channels and other places. You won't see these websites advertised on legitimate channels. Why? The reason is because these are actual hacks. Installing these browser extensions are a way to get yourself hacked, actually, because once you install these browser extensions, you open yourself up for a number of things. One of the ways that they actually hack you and will get money from you is that they'll actually blue screen your computer. They'll freeze your computer and make you call a tech support number in order to unfreeze it. This is a very common affiliate marketing scheme known as tech support. Okay? Tech support pays out a lot of money, but what you do is to unfreeze your computer, you basically have to call some telemarketers not based in the US, and they require you to pay anywhere from $50 to $500 to unfreeze your computer. The other way these companies make money is they just harvest all of your information. In the worst circumstances, they will actually take advantage of your passwords and your login information from other websites on the internet. So I don't know exactly how these apps are programmed, but oftentimes they have you install the extension, or they'll have you install a separate program, which is an executable file, .exe, and that will be used to hijack your entire computer, not just your browser. So the long story short with this video is, if you see something in the comments on my YouTube videos or any other person's videos, don't trust random links in the comments of videos unless it's from the video creator. You know, I sometimes comment on my own channel, but even then, you don't trust these links because oftentimes they're just completely fraudulent things. I've never seen a legitimate company marketed through comment spam. So watch out for this tactic of marketing. Beware. It's very rampant. So just watch yourself. Let me know in the comments below if this video was helpful or if you if you have seen what I'm talking about and this is helpful, or comment below if you've been taken by one of these scams, have lost money due to it. I'd love to hear your experience. Give this video a big like and also subscribe to my channel if you would like a free course on affiliate marketing. Once you subscribe to my channel, you'll get this free course on affiliate marketing will be unlocked, Affiliate Marketing 101, and you'll get access to all 10 videos of my free training showing others how you can be an affiliate marketer as well. So thanks for watching. Let's talk to you soon.